Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Google AI Studio Gemini uh, very easily. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So to access Gemini AI, you just have to open up your internet browser and type in google.gemini.com, or you can just go to google.com and search for Gemini AI here. Just click on, actually it's gemini.google.com by the way. Then just click on the first link or just type in this URL in the browser tab. And here you just have to log in with your Gmail account. So I've already done that. And now you can access the Gemini AI. So here you can ask any question from Gemini AI. So for example, if I just say something like, show me the top ranking video on YouTube on how to make line. For example, if I said something like that, it can also search from other search results like YouTube, which is pretty interesting. And you can also uh, give prompts by images like this. So you can just upload an image from here. So for example, I will write something like, give me a prompt I should give to an AI image generator to generate a YouTube thumbnail like this. So it's pretty advanced. It's going to give me a prompt which I can give to an AI image generator to generate a YouTube thumbnail like this as well. So you can just give this prompt to an AI generator to generate a thumbnail like this. You can also use the 1.5 version or the Gemini Advanced if you upgrade to Gemini Advanced. You can just pay for it. So yeah, guys, this was an in-depth guide of all the Gemini AI Studio features that you can utilize to your own benefit. If you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.